Ay, last 4. Shit. My name is Ralph Andre and I am grade 10 student of Manila High School. I I am currently 16 years old. I was born in the South Cotabato, Banga, and my birth date is January 16, 2010. I love watching animes like um, solo leveling like that, and I also love drinking beverages like soft drinks, canned, canned drinks like soda, and I'm also like playing online games like Minecraft, Totem, and ML, along with my friends. Because of that, I enjoy that. And in talent, I don't have talent because I'm talentless. I don't have talents. I don't have pure skills like playing games, playing sports like that. I'm just hardworking students who yearning to be a good students like to become what I dream of. And in dreams, back when I was a little kid, I'm always dreaming of to become a civil engineering. Reason why? Because I just want to build houses and make structures of house, make it cool, not be not it's stupid like buildings na simple buildings. I just want to make make it like model, make something unique because back then when I was a kid I was living in a SWAT. You know what is SWAT is? We're living in a in a property that hindi naman sa amin ganun. So because of that, nag-dream ako na maging civil engineering para makagawa ko ng sarili naming bahay, yung malaki na maganda tignan sa labas tsaka sa loob. At dati, akala ko na magiging civil engineering lang yung magiging pangarap ko. Pero nagbago nun nung dumaan yung mga panahon. Parang naging gusto ko na maging chef dahil na din sa impluwensya ng aking impluwensya ng aking sarili na mga natutunan ko. And because of that, I just want to be a great person of my own. And to end of this, wala lang. Thank you.